This is the Handyman Hotline, where we answer your home repair questions with compassion and love. Today we're discussing all things out with the old and in with the new. And today we're going to talk about my house and the first year of homeownership. We have a landlord-tastic episode for you today about contractors, all the good and a lot of the bad, and why do cockroaches not want to die? That and more on this episode of the Handyman Hotline. Roll the intro.
Mercury Stardust. She's a beacon of hope in the darkest night. Mercury Stardust. She'll teach you how to make it all alright.
Let's go to the next question. Man, this is so common, and I'm happy to get into this one. But first, I have to do my tradition. You're looking for a John. And not a place where you go poop, like an actual person named John. When we talk about home ownership, if you don't talk enough about generational trauma, we are dealing with other people's decisions. And I think it's really easy to throw people under the bus. Another thing that you brought up is your stopper, your actual stopper that you push up and down. There's a hydraulic pump that is going to be on one side of the broken pipe that's in a hole that you have to dig out. I think I got that right. It's in the inches. It's like maybe like 19, 20, 22 inches. Someone's going to yell at me. So don't trust me. Look it up. And until next time, remember, you're worth the time it takes to learn a new skill.
We'll see you next time.
That was great.